See now, this is the waterfall of Darbat, and it's really beautiful. Now I came here from all the way from there to here, and going there, going to end of the waterfall as much as possible to show all the views through here. See here, this is the finally we can reach here. After this point it's a bit difficult to go there because it's not good to visit there. It's too much. Wow. See the people are what they're enjoying. Now you see the waterfall. The one we are talking about, the main waterfall is coming from the top and coming from here. See this. Oh, amazing, really amazing. Guys really need to come here. See here. Try to reach there also if possible. It's a bit difficult, danger, but let me try. Okay, now I'm going down there now. It's really danger. We need to be careful, very careful. Otherwise you will slip and go into the river. Okay. Need to be very careful. Okay, I'm just going there to show you in the video so you really can enjoy. See here how it is. Wow. Really amazing waterfall I never have seen in my life. Finally I saw in the Salalah. I visited earlier also, but that time I visited too early, so that's why I could not capture these moments. Guys, wow, it's really amazing. Maybe you have seen only in the videos, in the movies, in the pictures, but when you come here you will see lots of beauty. This is really amazing. Wow. One of my friends, not one of, you can say 3 friends, they are enjoying the waterfall there, and I will come there also too. I would like to be there. I don't care my shoes get wet, but I will try to go there and take some photos. It's really nice moment. Wow, amazing. Okay, so now I'm going to do another down, little more down. It's a bit difficult, but I'm trying. Wow, that is finally I'm here. See here is the beauty of waterfall, you can say actually. I really never have seen in my life this type of waterfall. This is natural, amazing. need to be go very careful. Wow, I could go down more. I can go down more, yeah. See? Wow, what a beauty. What's a clean water actually this? See? It's very clean water. The people how enjoying there. It's really beautiful. Nature is nature, really. Whatever we say about the nature of the beauty is less. It's not complete in one word, two or thousand words. See this? How it's coming down all the waters. That is called waterfall. People enjoying. Wow. Let's go up now to take some videos from other places. Same place. Let's to go there. But not for 30 meters. Hello guys. So, how you see this Darbat? How you feel to reach here?
I'm so happy to see this weather in Salalah. It's very amazing, it's very beautiful.
So you really enjoy this?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm well, close.
So are you coming every year?
Yeah, I will try to come every year.
Okay.
I will try to come then every Harif season in Salalah.
Okay.
So inshallah next
So
year.
after here, where are you going? Which place you want to go?
Actually, right now